And good morning, Math Wizards of room 502, virtual 502, of course. And welcome to Mr. Leggett, Eureka Math in the morning. You know, some of these lessons we've done before, but I'm going back to review them because I think we need to, because map testing kind of interfered with a lot of things, kind of broke us up. So we're doing a lot of review. If that's okay with you, I hope so, because I think we need to. So our objective is to round 2 and 3 digit numbers. We're rounding the nearest 10 on the vertical number line. Remember the vertical number line? We've been doing that. So our first step is fluency practice halfway on the number line. So let's go ahead and start it with a vertical number line. I'm going to do it over the side. This is indeed, I'm so sorry. I know how you third graders demand I do this, and rightly so. It needs to be done. It is time to be copycats. All right. I say it like that because that's how my good friend the Mathnik says copycat. So you'll meet him eventually. All right, vertical number line. Make one. Okay, we're going to do a number line between 30 and 40. And what our object here is just halfway on the number line. What's halfway between 30 and 40? Think about it. What's halfway between 0 and 10? You got 10 fingers. Halfway there is 5, okay? So 30 and 40, what's the halfway point? I know it has to have a 5 in it. So what's it going to be? Let's check. 31, 32, 33, 34, maybe 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side. So 35 must be the halfway point. All right, let's do another one. This time around, we're going to do 130, 130, and 140. Where is the halfway point going to be on this? I bet if you were looking at my notes up here, you could cheat. I'm not really cheating. I'll cover them up. So what would the halfway point be? Between 30 and 40, the halfway point is 35. Then between 130, 140, the halfway point would be what? 135. You got it. That's a terrible looking one. Okay, let's do another one. I'm going to sneak here. And we're going to go a little bit higher. And we'll do 830 and 840. So I have 830 down here, 840 up here. Where is the halfway point? Well, we know the halfway point between 30 and 40 is 35. We know the halfway point between 130 and 140 is 135. So I'm thinking, and you probably have got this because you're a smart bunch of kids, the midway point between 830 and 840 has to be what? I know it's going to end in a 5, and it'll be 835. Don't believe me? 831, 832, 833, 834, 835, 836, 837, 838, 839, and 840. We are there. Let's do one more, a different one. Just slightly different. Okay, here we go. We're going to do 560 and 570. Those are our two 10s right there. 560, 570, like we were discussing the other day. So the midway point between here, I know it has to have a 5 in it, so what should it be? 561, 562, 563, 564, 565 is indeed the halfway point between 560 and 570. That's just how it goes. Always think about the 5s when we're talking about halfway points. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, damas y caballeros, we're going to do the application problem next. So you're going to click on that video. And remember, the application problem is a real-world problem, something that could happen in your life or my life.